A very good morning, dear parents. This is Archana Singh, Principal, MPS International. Though I wanted to meet you all on Google Meet today, no worry, we'll soon meet on Thursday morning. It was necessary for me to talk to you, dear parents, today, as I wanted to share with you that your kids are the lucky ones and, of course, unlucky ones also. But I'll tell you why they are lucky. This batch is going to have integrated books published, developed, and created by our Education Committee of the Maheshwari Samaj. Our Honorable Education Minister launched the book on 9th of June. Dear parents, it was actually our chairman's dream and vision to let learning happen in a fun way and connect academic life with the real life. He always wanted the educational environment to be the student-centric, joyful, and inquiry-based. As you all know that the current curriculum was restricting the students to think, to create, innovate, inquire, explore. Thus, we came up with an idea of having an integrated book for each month to lessen the burden of bags. We clubbed the related chapters in the single unit, keeping all objectives and philosophy in mind, and the integrated books were developed based on experiential learning. This is going to help the little ones to develop all the necessary skills that will help them to become a great thinker, communicator, open-minded, principled, risk takers, and so on. I hope you all cherish the idea of having an integrated book for your little ones. And I'm sure kids will be very happy in carrying light bag with just one book, almanac, stationery kit, water bottle, and tiffin. Here I would like to tell you, in the beginning I said your kids are unlucky. Why? Since they are locked up in their house, they are unable to come to school. And it would take time for them to come to school with such a light bag. That's why I said your kids are unlucky. Your children are going to have the same core subjects like Hindi, English, Maths, EVS, computer. The only thing is now all these subjects are clubbed together and is put up into an integrated book. Along with the major subjects, the other knowledge related to their general knowledge, value education, music, dance, theatre, all is going to be integrated with the major subjects that they would be having like English, Hindi, Maths, EVS and all. I'm sure they would enjoy burdenless study. We would be following the student-centric teaching approach. And we have introduced 8 integrated books for your kids. They don't have to bring all 8 together, but one book a month. Since we designed this book in the month of December and Jan, we were not aware of COVID-19. Otherwise, we would have invited you to school and organized an orientation program for you all. And we would have shown you all these books. So we were just talking about that your kids would be getting one integrated book each month. The first book that they would be doing now is named as Puddle. And as we proceed to other months, the course would be into advanced state. In Puddle book, they would be recalling what they learnt in pre-primary, and then they would come to the actual syllabus of first standard. The advanced stage of what they have done in pre-primary, that they would learn from pond, more advanced into lagoon, and little more advanced into stream. These 4 books will be for the first term, and I think by 3rd book the children would settle down and would enjoy learning through these integrated books. For the next term, they would be studying river. It's not that they are going to study about river. I mean to say that their book, which is named as River, will have more advanced knowledge of all the 4 subjects. Then they would proceed to the next book, which is named as Lake. By the time they would be reaching to end of session, by December, they would be doing Sea book, and by the end of Jan, they would be completing Ocean book. So by the end of the session, they would be well equipped with entire knowledge of grade 1 level. These books are full of activities, worksheets, and the teachers would be taking their classes by the help of audio-visual aids. The activities, for example, they would be doing circle time activities. Of course, some of the activities can be done sitting at home as well while the teacher is teaching them online. Circle time activity means just a recap of the previous and coming to the topic what they would be doing at that particular time when the teacher is taking this activity. In short, introducing the topic. Then a lot of other activities like role play, dramatization, recitation, storytelling, using games and puzzles. They would be learning each and every subject and each and every topic. As I just said, that they would start revising the concepts of the senior KG in the Puddle book, and gradually when they start settling down, the level of the books would go on increasing till the child completes the Sea and the Ocean book. We also want to focus on developing the writing habit. When you will be coming to pick up the books from the school, you'll be getting the integrated book. Along with that, you would be getting 2 cursive writing books as well. One cursive handwriting book for English and the other one for Hindi. Now, since the children will be at home, they won't be coming to school. So I request you, dear parents, when you purchase the books, please make sure that your child does either 1 page or half a page every day. That will help them to be in a habit of writing, and also they would improve their handwriting. We also wanted to focus on reading habit, which our children, really lack. So sitting at home, we can develop this as well. What we had planned is when the kids would be coming to school, they would be having a dear period. Dear means drop everything and read. So they would be having a mini library in the corner of their classroom, and each child would be getting one storybook or comic or any reading book from home and will be depositing in that mini library of their class. And this is how every child would get a chance to read every book throughout the year. But since they are not coming to the class, I request you all again to encourage your child to read the book, though the teachers would also be telling them, and they would be having storytelling session as well online. So they need to read something or the other and they have to tell us. Now, how you can motivate them, you can inculcate this reading habit in them. Your involvement must surely be there. You need to interact with them. You can ask them, what did you read? What were the characters of the story? What did you learn out of it? Such kind of questions will help them to know that why do they have to read a story, that they would be asked certain things, and that would develop a habit in them. So once we start with the online classes from Thursday, that is 11th of June, we would start letting the children know when will we do the storytelling session, when will we do the quiz, etc., etc. All these things will be introduced and given to you in detail by the teachers. We would be having orientation also tomorrow, when you will get to see me and the class teachers as well. So we would be telling you also how to come to online, how to keep your child disciplined for the online class, and how would they enjoy the teaching and the learning through audiovisual means through the online class. Now you must be curious, if you have integrated book, if you have worksheet pattern, how will your child be evaluated and assessed? There would be unstructured evaluation and assessment. Need not to worry, tomorrow when we would be taking your orientation on Google Meet, we would be looking at each other and we would be interacting also, and we would explain you how the evaluation and assessment would take place in an unstructured form. We have planned the worksheets for them, and continuous evaluation will be there through worksheets, assignments, storytelling, all activities, and the child would be continuously assessed. The checklist will also be made on the basis of parameters like beginning, developing, achieving, and by the end of the session they would excel, I'm sure. So the detailed checklist based report card would be made for each and every child, including their scholastic and co-scholastic parameters. So there won't be any difficulty in understanding your child. You would be able to know what your child is lacking in and where your child is excelling. So as of now, this is what I wanted to tell you. Since you would be purchasing the books, you might wonder there is only one book. Why? So I just wanted to tell you this, that we would be having 8 books. Need not to worry. The other books are in pipeline. Due to COVID-19, our printing and binding work got stopped. So now it has started, and all the other books are in process of the printing. We would surely intimate you as when we would be sending the books across to you. So need not to worry. And just a small tip to you all, dear parents. When we start with the online class, when you give a practice to your kid to sit before the screen either mobile screen or a laptop. Initially, you will find a little difficulty in making your child sit before the screen as the teacher would be taking their class. But have patience. The teachers and the parents need to have patience with the kids. The mail IDs would be created for you. The instructions to use the Google Meet classroom would be sent by the teachers on your WhatsApp group, which is already being made. All you need to remember is that your child should not be fidgety with the device. They should not keep on unmuting themselves. Otherwise, there would be a lot of chaos and distraction. Neither I want the parents to talk in between while the class is on. You can wait for first 30 minutes the teacher would be teaching. Then she will call out the name of the child and then you can unmute yourself and talk to the teacher. So let us have online class in a very disciplined manner. And when you all come to pick up the books in the school, please make sure that only one parent come. I don't want children to come out of the house. They would be at high risk. So please don't bring the children, and only one parent is sufficient to avoid overcrowding at the school and help us in maintaining the social distancing. You would be checked by the thermal screening. You would be given the sanitizers as well. We will take utmost care in keeping you safe in our school premises when you come to collect the books. So dear parents, let us meet tomorrow at the time of orientation. The time will be given to you and the link will be sent to you by today evening. Thank you so much. God bless you.